good morning children. Welcome back to our science class. Yes, what was our topic yesterday? What we discussed in the previous LP? Yes, we discussed in the previous LP about how the polluted water shows effects on the living things, right? How does the polluted water shows the effects on the living things? Not only in the human beings, in the animals, in the plants, on the human beings, so many, right? Yes. So by the yesterday topic, we can conclude that we have to purify the water. Before using, we have to purify the water. And today's our LP is also that only. Purifying water. Yes, children, see the keywords: purification, clean, drain, filter. Yes, these are the keywords for today. Okay, children. Before going to start the LP, I am going to show you some sample water. Once you can see this water. Yes, see this water, children. Yes. Would you drink this water? No, we can't drink that water, right? Why? What is the reason? If you drink that water, what will happen? Yes, we can't drink the dirty water, because if you drink the dirty water, we may fall sick and we may suffer with so many diseases, right? So by this we can say that we have to purify the water when we are using. And today we are going to learn some how we can purify the water in different ways. Okay. Yes, children. Nowadays, so many people are used to boil the water when they are using. Okay. If you boil the water, what will happen? If you boil the water, what will happen? The water will become heat, and germs were killed that were present in the water. Right? Germs were killed that were present in the water. Yes, and the one more method is filter. One more method is filter. Okay. In some filters, they have two layers. Okay. One is mud layer, and the second one is charcoal. These are the two layers we can present in the some filters, not in all filters. In some filters, we have, if you can observe, mud and charcoal, two layers are there. Okay. The mud, what will happen? The sand and gravel separate from the water. Okay. Each layer has a special role. Okay. These mud and charcoal, two layers have a special roles. Okay. What will do? This mud will do, they separate the dirt particles that are present in the water. What the charcoal will do? The charcoal removes the germs. The charcoal removes the germs and small pollutants that are present in the water. Okay. So these both methods, boiling and filtering, these both methods are provide safe drinking water. Okay. These both methods are provide us safe drinking water for our users. Okay, children, these are the some techniques. Any other purifications of water, do you know? Yes, we have another purification methods. Okay. If you can observe, in the villages, so many people used to keep the water in the buckets, and they do not disturb, they don't allow the water to disturb for some time. What will happen after that? The mud particles, the dirt particles will settle down at the bottom of the bucket. Okay. And in some cities, some people use chlorine tablets. Some people use chlorine tablets. If you add chlorine tablets to the water, what will happen? They will kill the germs that are present in the water. If you add chlorine tablets to the water, they will kill the germs that are present in the water. Okay. For example, children, some people are living in the city. One family is there. That family is living in a city. How the city people will get the water? The city people will get the water from the rivers, right? And how they will use the river water? They have to boil the water. Otherwise, they have to use some water purifiers like RO purifiers, aquaguard. So many are there nowadays. So many water purifiers are available in our cities, right? So they have to boil the water, otherwise they have to purify the water by using different types of water filters. Okay, children? Yes. And one more thing is, when any people are going for the campaigning, they use water purification tablets, like example chlorine tablets. They will use some clarification tablets that can help to make the water safe to drink. If because at the other places, not only other places, and the campaigning or any other places, the water is not safe for drinking. So we have to add the chlorine tablets to drink the safe water. Okay, children. Now you can tell me, how is the water distributed to entire cities purified? For example, Khammam only. How these Khammam people are getting purified water? How they are getting? Yes, cities have a very big system for cleaning the water. Okay, for example, water treatment plants. What they will do? The water from the lakes or river, they will collect in the they will collect in the water treatment center. Already we discussed, right? They will collect the river water or lake water in the water treatment centers, and the water cleaning also many steps. Okay, they will use big machines to kill the germs that present in the water. In that purification methods also, some boiling is the same technique as we are using at our home also. Okay, children, by this topic we can conclude that when we are using the water, we have to boil or purify the water. After that only we have to drink the water. If you drink the dirty water, what will happen? We may fall sick easily, and we may suffer with so many diseases like diarrhea, cholera, so many diseases. We may suffer with so many diseases. Okay, children?
Yes, children, now you can open your content book. See, purifying water. We need to purify water to make it for drinking. Some people boil tap water. When water boils, it becomes very hot and the germs are killed. Some people use special water filters to purify water. These filters have layers of sand, gravel and charcoal, which helps to filter out dirt in the water. We can also use purification tablets to kill germs and clean the water. We all need clean drinking water to stay healthy. Yes, children, here you can see the images of ways to purify water. In the first image you can see boiling water. Okay, they are boiling the water to kill the germs that are present in the water. And see in the second box, they are purifying the water using some purifiers, filters. In the third image you can see that they are using chlorine tablets to kill the germs that are present in the water. Okay, children? Yes, children, now you can open your volume as for purifying water. Once you can observe the images carefully, children, that is the different purification methods to purify the water. See the first question, what does water purification means? See the first question once again, what does water purification means? And see the second question, list the different ways by which we can purify water. List the different ways by which we can purify the water. See the third question, how do you purify water at your house? See the third question again, how do you purify water at your house? Now see the next question, children. If you had to use the water from a river nearby, how would you purify the water before drinking? Once again see the question. If you had to use the water from a river nearby, how would you purify the water before drinking? See the next question. Ram went camping with his friends. They needed drinking water. They got some water from the river nearby but needed to purify it. What can they do? See the question once again. Ram went camping with his friends. They needed drinking water. They got some water from the river nearby but needed to purify it. What can they do? Okay, children, that is the volume. Read the content book and complete the volume. Thank you, children.